Hey everyone, today we're giving you a closer look at the Tusk Tire Bead Lifter tool. This is going to be for anybody that is just replacing a tube. Maybe you're installing a new tire with a tube, or maybe you need help getting your rim lock in place. This is going to help you out so much, especially with these tubes. It can be kind of a hassle to lift the edge of the tire up and get this valve stem in place. That's really what this tool is all about. So let me show you how to use it. All right, so with this tire, we just had a flat. We're putting a new tire or a new tube in. And I'm gonna start out by putting the section of the tube that will be going through that hole in the rim. We're gonna line that up first. I'll get that past my rim lock, but starting right here is gonna allow me to make sure I get everything squared up before the rest of the tube's in place. So from here, this section can be kind of a hassle. Anyway, this is where people always scrape up their knuckles and struggle. So that's where this tool shines. All we have to do, hook on the inside of the bead. That's gonna get that out of the way, and we can push down on the tire. So that lower bead is no longer pulling on our rim strip and the hole is fully exposed. So all I have to do now is push the tube down and set it in place, just like that. So from here, you just gotta thread that nut on the end. Okay, so stem's in place. Thread that nut on a few turns. We don't want to put it on all the way because we still need the tube to push in a little bit as we install it. So make sure the tube is straight on or pointing straight out, and then we'll install it the rest of the way. All right, then from here we are ready to install the rest of the tire. If you need to know how to do that, we've got several tire changing videos, so go check those out. And if you need the Tusk Tire Bead Lifting tool, it's available on our website. Just click the link in the description below.